In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Murf AI text-to-speech to say sentences that you want. First, navigate to Google Chrome on your PC. On Google, search for Murf AI text-to-speech in the provided search bar. Now, reach the first Murf AI website as shown here. Once on the website, you will see the sentences written in front of you. After that, click on the play icon to listen to the speech of the provided text. Here, it'll provide different options such as promo, conversational, documentary, narration, inspirational, and calm. Select any of the provided options and scroll down to open the studio. Then, create your account by adding your email or sign up with Google, Microsoft, and Stack. Click on Sign up with Google and choose your Google account. After signing up, you'll reach the home page of your Murf AI. Now, click on the audio to the text option shown on the left side of the screen. Type the text in the given area to convert into the speech. Here, click on the microphone icon and enable it. Then, hit the play button to preview the speech. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.